Guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this DIY, I'll be using both colors of these candle holders that I found at Dollar Tree. Now, I know you've seen these in a previous DIY, so look at this as a part 2. Now, these are matte. This is a matte black and this is a matte white. Honestly, I like the matte. It's really pretty the way it is. It does not need to be shiny, and I'm contemplating whether or not I want to paint them, but something is telling me not to. I want to add more than just bling to my channel this year, so everything won't be so shiny and glitzy all the time. Of course, in the end, I'm going to show you how to bling this out, but I'll show you how to use it with or without bling, okay? Now, the first thing I want to do is start out with this one. It's going to be super easy. I'm going to combine this candle holder with another mirror from Dollar Tree. Here's a mirror that I'll be using this time around. And guys, I want to try and use more things that's easy to find at Dollar Tree. Of course, whenever they come out with something new, like these candle holders, I'll incorporate them in the DIY as well. But whenever I can find something that they have in stock, if I can find a new way to use it, I will, okay? Now, on the back, I've already removed the label. And just like the previous mirror, I went ahead and removed that little piece that you used to hang it by, so it would be flush. Now, as you can see, it pretty much fits on the outside, but there was still a little bit of a hump. So what I'm going to do now is just put some glue right around here. Again, if you want to make this shiny white, if you want to change the color, you can. So what I'm going to do is just place this mirror right on top like that. Now, if you don't like that look, if you want it to be a little chunkier, you could actually glue 2 of these mirrors together and then put them on top that way. But I'm going to go with 1. So I'm going to go ahead and flip this over and glue this one down. I'm going to go ahead and put a little weight on there to help that hold that in place. Now, this is going to be a 3-piece set, and I'm actually going to do 2 just like this. The next one will be black and white, and then I'm going to take this mirror to go on top. I want this one to be the opposite, so I'm going to start with a black piece and then put the white piece here, and then I'm going to glue another piece on top. So now I'm going to put some weight on here just for a little while. Now I'm going to let these set up. Once it sets up, I'll come back and add a mirror to this one. Okay guys, so back to our middle candle holder. Believe it or not, I'm not going to add a lot of bling to this. I really like the simplicity of the black and the white, but I feel like it still needs a little bit of bling. We do have the mirror here, and that's considered bling. I'm going to go ahead and cut this and put this right around here where the 2 pieces meet. See, I might put a piece around the base. We'll find out at the end. We have our other 2 pieces, and I want to put a piece under here. Let's see, I think that's thick enough. Yeah. And that's going to give us our finished look. Hopefully you can see that. Again, I might put some around the base, I'm not sure. You'll have to stay tuned. So finally, I'm going to put some Dollar Tree Hurricanes on top of my candle holders. I do have the option to glue them down permanently, but I won't because sometimes I might want to use them as a base for a decorative piece, okay? Now, I have some lace. I actually have this in a few different colors. Gray, pink, blue. Maybe have some little butterflies in there. And then of course black. So ahead of time I went ahead and cut a piece. And I used some spray adhesive on one side. So what I'm going to do is just lay this down and just start here at the top. I'm trying to line the top of the decoration from the lace to the top of the glass. Where the lace is not really sticking, I might add a little bit of Mod Podge or some Wicked Stick It underneath there to lay it down. So eventually I'm going to come back in and cut that excess off. But yeah, this is what we have. Isn't it cute? Now imagine this in red and you do it for Valentine's Day. Isn't that pretty? Now because I do have a new black sofa, I'm having to incorporate more black into my living room, and that's why I chose the black lace. Now I'll go off camera and do this to the other two that I have. Okay guys, so back to my glass. After the lace dried, I went ahead and put 2 rows of mirror towel around the base. And I also had some black diamond bling that I put around the top. So this is a finished look. I'm not going to glue these to my candle holders because again, I'm going to use those as bases to display other decor as well. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put these on top and let you guys see what they look like. Okay everyone, this concludes my video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, leave a comment below if you like it with or without the bling. And if you decide to make these, what would be your color choices? Okay everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.